Most people in Morocco are using digital wallets every day, but here's the truth no one tells you. A lot of them are losing money without realizing it. Hidden fees, slow transfers, and limited features can quietly drain your balance over time. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is thinking all digital wallets in Morocco do the same thing. They don't. Some are built for daily payments, some for banking, some for international transfers, and some for business. If you pick the wrong one, you pay more and get less value. In this video, you will discover the 10 best digital wallets in Morocco for 2026. You will learn which apps save you money, which ones give rewards, which ones are the most secure, and which ones fit your lifestyle best. Whether you are a student, freelancer, tourist, or business owner, this guide will make your financial life simpler and cheaper. And here's something interesting. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how smart users in Morocco are combining wallets to reduce fees, almost to zero in some cases. Let's begin. We start with the most important wallet in Morocco, the one most people already know. First, CHA Bank mobile app, Tadayawana. CHA Bank is one of the leading banks in Morocco, and its mobile app is widely used for everyday banking and digital payments. Now, here's why it matters. With CHA, you can check balances, transfer money, pay bills, and manage your account without visiting a branch. For example, Youssef in Casablanca uses CAI Mobile to pay rent and transfer money to his family instantly. But here's the problem. It is mainly useful if you already have a CHA bank account. Without it, the app is limited. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users combine CHA Mobile with other wallets for daily spending flexibility, while keeping savings in the bank. Let's move to the second option. Second, Atiari Mobile Banking. Atiari Avafa Bank is one of the largest banks in Morocco, and its mobile banking app is powerful and widely trusted. It allows users to transfer money, pay bills, and manage multiple accounts easily. For example, Sarah in Rabat uses Atiari Mobile to manage her salary and monthly expenses, all in one place. But here's the catch. Some advanced features are only available for premium account holders. Still, it is one of the most stable and secure banking apps in Morocco. And now here's where it gets interesting. Many professionals use Atiari Mobile as their main financial hub and link it with payment apps for daily spending. Let's continue. Third, Bank Populaire Mobile. Bank Populaire is another major banking network in Morocco, and its mobile app is designed for easy access and transactions. For example, Omar in Marrakech uses it to send money to family members across different cities instantly. But here's the problem. The interface can sometimes feel less modern compared to newer fintech apps. Still, it remains one of the most trusted banking wallets in Morocco. Now in a minute, I'll show you a wallet that is not a bank at all, but is becoming extremely popular for fast payments. Fourth, Cash Plus. Cash Plus is one of the most widely used financial service networks in Morocco. It is not just a wallet but a full payment and money transfer system. You can send money, receive cash, pay bills, and top up accounts. For example, Hassan in Tangier uses Cash Plus to receive payments from clients and withdraw cash easily from nearby agents. But here's the catch. Fees can vary depending on transaction type and location. Still, it is one of the most accessible financial services in Morocco. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many people use Cash Plus as a bridge between bank accounts and cash transactions. Let's move forward. Fifth, Wafa Cash. Wafa Cash is another major payment and money transfer service in Morocco, widely used for domestic and international transfers. For example, Fatima in Fes uses Wafa Cash to receive money from family members abroad. But here's the problem. Not all services are fully digital, and some require physical agent visits. Still, it is extremely useful for remittances and cash services. Now here's where it gets interesting. Morocco's strong remittance economy makes Wafa Cash one of the most important financial tools in the country. Let's continue. Sixth, PayPal. PayPal is widely used in Morocco for international payments, especially by freelancers and online workers. For example, Yasmin in Casablanca works with us clients and receives payments through PayPal. But here's the issue. Withdrawal options can be limited, and fees can be higher compared to local systems. Still, it is essential for global income. And now here's where it gets interesting. Many freelancers only use PayPal as a receiving tool, and immediately transfer funds to other wallets or bank accounts. Let's continue. 7th, Payoneer.it. Payoneer is one of the most important wallets for Moroccans working online or receiving international payments. It allows you to get paid from global companies and withdraw directly to Moroccan banks. For example, Ali, a web developer, uses Payoneer to receive payments from Europe and the US with lower conversion fees than PayPal. But here's the catch. It is not designed for daily spending inside Morocco. Still, it is extremely powerful for freelancers and remote workers. Let's move on. 8th, Orange Money Morocco. Orange Money is a mobile wallet provided by Orange Morocco and is widely used for quick payments and transfers. For example, Khalid in Rabat uses Orange Money to send small payments to friends instantly. But here's the problem. Usage depends on your telecom network and may have limitations compared to bank wallets. Still, it is very convenient for fast mobile transactions. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users use Orange Money alongside bank apps for daily convenience. Let's continue. 9th, InWeMoney.kai. InWeMoney is another telecom-based mobile wallet in Morocco that allows users to send and receive money easily. For example, Nadia in Casablanca uses InWeMoney for daily transactions like buying groceries and sending small payments. But here's the catch. Like other telecom wallets, its ecosystem is still growing. Still, it is useful for quick peer-to-peer payments. Now here's the final wallet. 10th, M2T, HEP's wallet. M-Wallet Services. M2T is one of Morocco's leading payment service providers, offering digital wallet solutions for businesses and individuals. It supports payments, transfers, and financial services across multiple networks. For example, small shop owners in Morocco use M2T systems to accept digital payments from customers. But here's the problem. It is more business-focused and less common for everyday personal use. Still, it plays a big role in Morocco's digital payment infrastructure. Now, let's bring everything together. If you want to use digital wallets in Morocco effectively, you should never rely on just one app. Smart users combine multiple wallets based on purpose. For banking and savings, CA, Atiyari Wafa, and Bank Populaire are strong choices. For cash services, Cash Plus and Wafa Cash are essential. For mobile payments, Orange Money and InWeMoney are useful. And for international income, PayPal and Payoneer are must-haves. Here's the most important takeaway. The goal is not to pick one wallet. The goal is to build a system that reduces fees, increases flexibility, and gives you control over your money. If you understand this strategy, you can save money every month without changing your income. So remember this. Match your wallet to your purpose. Avoid unnecessary fees. And always compare options before sending money. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, comment your favorite digital wallet in Morocco, and subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns that help you make smarter money decisions every day.